I'm so nervous. I don't know if I'm gonna beat this. Please, don't unlike me. Please, support the hobby. I don't want if people like look at me right now. If it comes like right now, I'm literally gonna die. I don't know what to do with this game, but I'm just gonna finish 2 more minutes and we're gonna be done. 2 more minutes. Exactly. Please, I have my holy water around and maybe revolver. Oh, and not to forget, I'm actually a miner because I have a pickaxe and the helmet. This is like my first time winning. Everyone told me that I can never win in Dead Raids, but now I'm gonna prove them wrong. This is literally solo, dude. Like, what? Look at the time. It's almost... Yes, I'm actually gonna win this. This is actually gonna be my first time winning. You know what? I'm just gonna stop yapping. Oh, nah. It's night. Nah. It's just zombies. Who even cares? I'm just gonna call my holy one right now. But the thing is, I don't want them to spawn up here. Wait, werewolves? Nah. Who even cares? I'm just gonna win. I'm gonna make them attracted. Then I'm gonna call this holy water at them. Not to mention, yes! Finally, dude! I finally finished. Solo, by the way. Just look at this. Solo. That's amazing. I am so happy. Finally. Return. Give me my win. Please. And yes. Fine. Oh shit. I have 95 bonds. Damn, that's a lot. Let me look at my escape and recommended dosage. Unkill. Oh my. I got the unkillable. Oh my god. Complete the game without selling anything. Just don't do the glitch. Finally, dude. Finally, I finished this game. I'm gonna make a voting if what class I'm gonna buy. It's neither the priest or survivalist or maybe the werewolf. I don't know what to buy, so I'm gonna tell my friend what I'm gonna buy because he's really good at playing Dead Raids. I'm gonna tell him what I'm gonna buy. So yeah, see you next video.